I was just sent these new car lights to check out with you today. These ones here are for a H8, H9, H11 size. Super bright, 6500, cool, white fog lights, 1-to-1 halogen mini size, off-road lights with plug and play and a pack of 2. So let's check them out. Come really nicely packaged. So right up, we have a bag here. We have some instructions. We have gloves to handle them in with. So let's put a glove on here. You don't want to touch the bulbs with your hands because the oil will ruin them. So here we go. Really cool LED bulb. Plug it on right there. Turn it on. You're good to go. You see you have an LED on each side. Really nice. These ones here are 800 times brighter than halogen bulbs. They put light out for 1,600 feet. That's crazy. Eliminates dim lights and dark spots. 70,000 plus hours of lifespan. That's amazing. They are built for extreme weather. They are IP68 waterproof. Great for power sports, for UTVs, ATVs. So if you have a vehicle that needs a H8, H9, or H11 bulb, this one right here will be an amazing replacement for you.